Hello, this video shows my magic translation tool. Originally, I was giving this to my EAL students, particularly those that came in the middle of a semester with little to no English. But actually, I have shared this with all my students now and they love it. So what it is a Google spreadsheet. I share it with them in Google Classroom so they each get a copy. If they click on the vocab list, they will see all these English words and then they'll see it in German, French, Japanese, Russian, Italian, Spanish, Portuguese, Arabic, etc. It's funny, some of them are not perfect. It's done through Google Translate. So it's really interesting conversation. Sometimes the students point out, oh, this isn't quite the translation, it can change. So they know it's not 100% reliable tool, but it can be very useful. What I do as well is I can always add on extra languages. So this year I have someone who wanted Canada and someone who wanted Finnish, so I added those on as well. But this is not just a word bank that I have created. It is generated through Google Translate. So I can go down here and I can type in the word cat, and then you'll see it translates all those languages along there. Dog, water, coffee. I'm just looking around, but you can see. So it translates them all for me. I also have in here some design specific words that will be useful for them. But what I do is I get the students to have their own copy, and then they can keep it like this, or they can go in and they can delete the languages they don't care for. For example, most of our kids will do English, German, and then they have their mother tongue. So I will get them to delete the other rows, and then they can keep adding their own words to it. So I've got it going all the way down. The code that's in there is equals Google Translate, and then I have A54, which is the word they want to translate, comma, and then I have EN for English, and then DE is the one for German, FR for French, JA for Japanese, RU for Russian. Sometimes you have to guess what they are. Some of them, for example, I had to guess a few times. I could find some of the codes. For example, I think I googled Google Translate code for Finnish, and it told me that it was FI. But some of them it's quite hard to find on Google. So just play around with it. If someone does find a link that has all the codes, I would very much appreciate it.